In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow, how to create a pop-up with native interactions, no code needed. We're going to set up a simple no-code pop-up using Webflow's built-in tools so you can control the look and feel without touching any scripts. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the page where the pop-up will live and identify the element users will click to reveal it. This could be a button, a link block, or even an image. Having your trigger element selected before you configure anything will keep things organized and help you see changes in real time. Next, open the element settings. In the link settings, choose File, then upload the asset you want to appear when the pop-up is triggered. This might be an image, a PDF, or another media file you want to highlight. Uploading here connects your trigger to the content you intend to showcase. A quick tip: use clear file names, keep your asset optimized for the web, and double check that it displays as expected in the designer. Now switch to the Interactions panel, the lightning bolt icon on the right. Interactions are where you control how elements animate and respond to user behavior. With your trigger element still selected, add an element trigger. Choose mouse click, tap. This means the interaction will run on desktop clicks and mobile taps alike, so you get consistent behavior across devices. You'll see options for what happens on the first click and optionally on the second click. Click. Select an action and choose Pop. Pop is a preset interaction that quickly scales and fades an element in, giving that familiar pop-up feel without any code. Once applied, you can customize the animation to suit your brand. Adjust duration for snappier or smoother motion. Tweak easing for a playful bounce or a gentle ease. And fine-tune opacity and scale so the pop-up feels natural rather than jarring. If you want the pop-up to toggle, set the second click to reverse or close the animation so users can easily dismiss it. Also, confirm the interaction is set to affect only the selected element unless you intentionally want it to control multiple items. Preview your page and test the interaction. Click the trigger to make sure the pop-up appears and behaves correctly, and try it on different breakpoints for responsiveness. When you're happy, publish and test on a live link to confirm performance. That's it. Your no-code pop-up is live using Webflow's native interactions. Clean, fast, and fully customizable. Thanks for watching, and happy building!